your clothes. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steaming your team. Look at your crown.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long since I talked to y'all, but welcome back. My name is XOXOXO, in case you don't know. If you're new, welcome back. Wait, no. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Today, I'm going to be doing, why is somebody calling? Every time I want to do something, somebody's calling my phone. Today, I wanted to do a video because I've been telling you guys that, because like you guys know, I ordered the yummy hair before, and like when I got that hair, I was super excited about it. So like in ordering that hair, I also ordered multiple other hairs. So yeah, I was really kind of sad because I spent all that money, and then you guys saw the last video, I was super disappointed in the hair. But whatever the case may be, I had a whole bunch of hair from Yummy. So like the next few videos that I do will be on the hair that I got when I ordered that Lao hair, which wasn't the best excitement that I've had after installing it. So yeah, and see my hair, I got my hair out today. But yeah, so the hair I got this time, I got my paper ready. I ended up, and I'm gonna be inserting pictures of like the hair because like my initial review video, I don't know what happened, like the video on my computer or something crashed, so I don't have like the unboxing, but I have the picture, and I'll insert here when it was first installed into my hair, and then like the pictures along the way. And like I ended up taking it out because like I couldn't get it maintained where I'm at right now, and I was looking like homeless girl, okay? So what I ordered from them a long time ago, really, this is really a long time ago, like almost a year ago, I ordered 4 bundles of raw Cambodian curly wave from Yummy Extensions. Can you see that? It's really bright. From Yummy Extensions, and I ended up, because this was supposed to be my birthday hair, I ended up ordering it for my birthday, or way early for my birthday, because I knew I was going to be in Cabo. If you guys want to see a video, do a video of my birthday trip in Cabo, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments below. But I wanted to have curly hair for Cabo, because like I was going to be on the beach in the water, and I was like, I don't want no straight hair. So I ended up ordering 2 bundles of 30-inch and 2 bundles of 28. And I ended up getting 4 because like I was on the fence. Like I normally get 3 bundles and it never fits on my whole head because like I have a small head. You may not can tell on the camera, but I have a small head, okay? So I ended up ordering that, and then like, yeah, so as you guys know, the closure from the company was really bad. I didn't end up ordering a different closure because like what I was gonna do originally, I was gonna have my natural hair and blend it that way, but then I was kind of thinking like that might be too much work for me. So I ended up ordering a closure from Alipearl, because my hairstylist has suggested like do a smaller closure since like my head is so tiny, and it'll be easier on you, and then like it won't be like all the way from here, even though it's a 5x5, but it goes like all the way across my head. So I ended up ordering a 2x6 closure. Like, whoa. Like people will be hating on that closure, but when I tell you guys, out of the laces that I've had, we're gonna get into the closure first. And I ordered that from Alipearl, 2x6 closure. It was a 20-inch body wave, and the lace is like medium brown. I have it here, but don't judge me right now. Like I haven't washed it since I took it out of my hair, so it just look a little rough, okay? It got a lot of product in it, and it's like medium brown, see? My hairstylist bleached the knots, and it's pretty full, and I'm telling you guys, it really doesn't look this raggedy. Like I'm gonna insert pictures because my hair was looking bomb, and like it was crazy because I was nervous because like I didn't think it was gonna match for one. Like as you guys can see right there, the hair that I got from Yummy is like super curly, and this was like body wave, but like when you put the like product in the hair and on the closure, and like you get some mousse or whatever you call that stuff and some curl and stuff, and like when you brush it through, it kind of just blends with the curls, like it goes with the curl patterns, like just like woo woo woo. And I was like, okay. So it was like, and like literally the quality, like I wasn't getting no matting, no tangling, and definitely no shedding from this. Like I barely got any shedding from this closure. It was crazy. Like I think this closure was like, I'm gonna say like $70 something. It was something super cheap. I'll put it down below because I don't even remember, but it was super cheap, like compared to, and it was 20 inches. This is my band, but yeah, it's 20 inches, and like my other one was like 200. Wasn't that like, it was over $100? I swear it was like 2 something. Like one closure from Yummy was more than one bundle from Yummy. So like this was like super affordable, and like the quality, like even as I'm putting my fingers through, even though like it needs to be washed and you can tell it's dirty and stiff from all the product, like I am getting some shedding, but like it's cheap. Like it's like a closure that you can throw away if you wanted to after one time. But like I don't know if I'm gonna throw it away or if I'm gonna use it, like, cause some stylists be like, you need a new one every time. So like really this is like the perfect one, like if you have to change your closure or frontal every time, cause some stylists be like, I don't use old closures and old frontals, doing too much. But like this is one like you can use. I don't know how their other frontal closures are. I would assume they're about the same quality. Like if this one was this good, the rest should be just as good or even better, because I think they have like other types of hair. Like this was just basic. I don't even think it said like virgin. It just said Brazilian, body wave. Like it was just plain, like yeah. So this was my closure, and it's like super small, like. And the thing I like about having a 2x6, like this is the lowest maintenance I've had. Like I didn't have to maintain this. Like I kept this installed in my hair. Let me see. I got it like April 20 something. And I took it out like a couple weeks ago. Today's July 1st. So I took it out like 2 weeks ago. Whatever day that is, I'll put it there. But I had it in like a month and a half or something. And it wasn't lifting until the end, which is like I was pushing it because I couldn't get back to my stylist and I didn't want to take it out. But then I just ended up taking it out. And then the hair itself, I entered it what it looked like before. So as I was doing my hair, in the midst of like the last month, like the last week, I wanted to straighten it, but like I was really lazy and like I didn't want to wash out the product, and like I had my flat iron really high, and then like I straightened it, and like it was smelling really burnt when I went out, and I think like I kind of messed up the curl pattern, but I just like halfway washed and conditioned one track just to see like if because the curl pattern wasn't coming back that well. But I didn't really wash it or condition it yet. I just put water on it to see, like, and it was kind of like not as curly, but like it didn't bother me because like the curl is a lot to handle if you've never had curly hair. And this was my first time ever getting curly hair. So like it's still drying, but this is what it looks like. And it's beautiful. Like, let me put it maybe together. Like it's beautiful. Like there's no product in here now. And it's drying still. Some of it's still wet, as you can see. Some sticking together. I don't know if it's a 28 or 30, but this curl pattern on this hair was gorgeous, okay? So gorgeous, like, but when I first put it in, like, I didn't like it. Let me be honest. Like, it was so overwhelming because, like, oh my gosh, I'm just thinking about it. Like, I went back to the stylist and can you please straighten? And she was about to say, I have something to do. Like, I was so sad because it's like so big. And like, she got like all 4 bundles in my hair. I think like there was a couple tracks left. Or did she get it all? She got basically all the 4 bundles in my head. And I've never had that much hair in my head. So it was like, on top of the fact that it was a lot of hair in my head, it was also really big because it was curly. And the curls, like without any product, are like, whoa, they like, whoa. Like, I was like, what the heck is going on? Like, how am I supposed to maintain this? And like, she was telling me like I could put the curl and stuff, like whatever you're using on hair, like curl stuff, like, cause I normally wear my hair curly. So like, I put like some curling products and some mousse, curling mousse. And like, you go like that and like try to flatten it, or you can use gel and scrunch it. And like, it actually worked to like still have the beautiful curl, but like to tame it, because like it's huge hair. Like I wore, eventually, like I got used to having big hair, but it took some time, like took some adjusting. But like, I can say that this hair experience with Yummy was way better than the last one. Like, if I was rating this hair, what I say it's called, the raw Cambodian curly wave, I would give it like a 9. Like, really. Like, I really enjoyed this hair. Like, I'll give you the pros, like the curl pattern, beautiful, wet, curly. It's beautiful. Like, I've straightened it, and I'll put some inserts. First time my mom straightened it. Second time I straightened it, won't say it was as good, but I did it. Okay, I've straightened it. I wear it curly, like it's beautiful. Like, I don't really get much shedding from the hair. Towards like, I would say about once I hit 1 month having it in my hair, and I would say like I was getting more tangling like at the nape of my hair. And I don't know if it was because I needed to condition it. Like, as I just conditioned this one, it's so soft now again. Because the hair is really soft, like. So I was like confused, like why all of a sudden am I having tangling? So that could have just been on me. And I needed to condition it, and I was only washing it, and I wasn't putting no conditioner. Because like I was in the process of like moving, and like I was just super stressed out. Like, I didn't have time to be doing all of that. So it was like tangling, so I'd be like, like trying to comb it out. But like, even though like I was getting a lot of tangling at that point, like not a lot, but like not like the last hair tangling. Like, this is like normal stuff. Like, if my natural hair was dry or something, or needs to be washed, like it'd be tangling. So like, I was like slightly irritated, but not really, because I knew like I played a role in the fact that it was tangling. So that was something that I kind of didn't like, but I won't blame it on the company per se, because I didn't condition it. And then I did one time of like a little bit after the month, and that was like butter again. So I just didn't do it as good as I could have. So, but it was like, it got soft again. So like, but that's when I realized, I was like, is the curl pattern not the same? So I'm gonna do a deep condition on all of hair before I reinstall it, so you guys can see it. But I really like this hair, and I really like the closure that I got from Alipearl. So like, 2x6 is my go-to at this point. I'm not getting no more frontals. I'm not getting no 5x5, 6 by whatever, 5 I don't know what the heck you call them. I'm only getting a 2x6. And if these stylists don't want to install it, poo, I'm gonna find somebody, because like when I do mine, I leave my edges out. So like, it's just perfect to just have this one little piece just right here. And you guys see in the picture, like, it's seamless. Like, it's seamless. Like, it's amazing. That closure was great. Like, and I think I'm calling it amazing because I've only had trash closures and trash frontals. Like, every other one I've tried has been so bad. So like, in comparison, like, this is a whole 10, even though I'm not sure that the closure is really a 10. But it's like a 10 at this point, because I have nothing else to compare it to. So compared to the closures and frontals that I've had, this has been the top tier. This has been 10. So that's how I feel about this closure. I love it. Like, I'm gonna order it again. Yeah, like, why am I gonna not order it? This hair, I love her. I love her. Look at her. She already looked like she's on an island. Yes, we're on the beach. No, but this hair was actually really nice. And you just see, it's just like, the hair doesn't have a lot, I don't know. The hair, when you first install, doesn't have a lot of tangling. just same with the closure. I didn't really get a lot of tangling from both. But like as far as like I did get shedding, but not a lot. Like people say curly hair sheds, so like it was expected. Like I watched the videos because like I said, this is my first time. But overall, this hair install with Yummy plus Alipearl was a great experience for me. Like I can't wait to get the hair reinstalled, and I can't wait to try to reinstall the loud hair with a closure from them, because that might change my whole perspective, and then you guys will see that too. But yeah. And also, before I end this video, would I order these again? Like I said, yes. And like I said, I also ordered other stuff from the company, and I have one more product that I did not do an unboxing to. It's just my clip-ins, but I'm just gonna show you like an initial video with that, and I'm gonna install it. So like it could just be like a 2-for-1 video. Cause like, I don't know, my time has been all over the place, but I'm trying to make this my focus because like, yeah, and as you guys can see, I'm in somewhere new. I will do a video on that. I'm making new moves out here. But yeah, I'm back. And I'm here to stay, you know. I'm really gonna stay, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos still, and I've been getting followers still, even though I haven't been making any videos. I just love it. I love you guys. You guys are great. Oh my gosh, no. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Let me know what else you wanna see. And I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, my dolls.